Well, hey, I didn't see y'all standing there. I'm Mark Cathcart, Union County 4-H agent, aka Thomas Andrew Hawk, aka Tom A. Hawk. I'm out here doing a little bear hunting today, and I don't guess we're going to see anything. So, since we're out here, why don't let's go over to the shooting range and we'll shoot this muzzleloader a few times. See how you like it. Well, we made it to the range, and so I think what we're going to do is go ahead and fire a couple shots downrange, but there's a few things that we need to go over. First of all, this is a demonstration video, not an instructional video. If you would like to learn more about muzzleloading, shooting, or start a 4-H muzzleloading club in your county, then contact Rick Willie at the email above, and he'll set that up and we'll come get you trained and get you started off in the right direction. So first of all, as with any shooting, we have to have some protection equipment. So I've got my eye protection here that I'm going to wear, and I've got my ear protection. We'll go ahead and put those in. And I've got my rifle here with my range rod inserted. That indicates that it is unloaded. So first thing, whenever we get ready to fire, we want to fire a couple caps downrange. That's to make sure everything's working properly and that our barrel is clear of any obstructions. Take my capper, cap it. This is a 50 caliber Thompson Center muzzleloader. It's a double trigger set. It's got a set trigger in the back, and the front trigger is the firing trigger. So always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. That's one. And then our second shot, we'll be firing it at the ground at a 45-degree angle. The reason why we do that is we want to see if the grass or the leaves move, and if they do, then we know for sure that there's not any obstructions in the barrel. All right. So it looks like we're ready to go. Before you load it, always drop your range rod down. That's to put out any embers. Then we've got our powder container. This is pre-measured. This is length. I know that it's consistent every time I shoot. So we'll fill it up. Drop our powder down. Powder, patch, ball. Always in that order. We have our pre-lubricated patches. We have our lead ball. At this point, take your ball starter, get it started down the barrel. Then we take our range rod. We want to be sure not to grab it up really high like this, because there's a chance it could bend or break. Want to grab it low. Just move that ball down, short increments. We want to be sure that it's seated well. If that rod bounces, then we know that it's seated. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our cap on. We got our capper. And when we're ready, downrange, set trigger, and then fire. Always be sure of what's beyond your firing point. Just like that.